Okay, welcome ladies and gentlemen to Vagabond Training and Fashion Week. We're going to use this week to show some fine examples of what we think people should be wearing on tour this year. So first up we have Denise and Andrew modelling with Joe. A light raincoat. Wonderful, you can see. With a hood. Hoods are wonderful, yes. Thank you, yes. A light raincoat is windproof, flexible, but not too heavy. Next up, we have what not to bring. Here's Sean. Thank you, Sean. And Tim. Again, most of the walking we do is in fairly gentle conditions, maybe on unbroken ground. Snowshoes are not required. Umbrellas tend not to work too well in the windy conditions that we have here on Ireland. And ski goggles. Oh, very nice, Ted, nice. So legend has it that sometimes it can get a little bit inclement here in Ireland. So Jason is going to model the latest fashions in waterproof technology. We have a lovely Gore-Tex waterproof top, and as you can see, very, very effective. He still looks great. And a couple of practicalities spring along the way here. Here we have Damo with a little bit of insect repellent. We have a thing called a midge here, which can drive you slightly nuts. It's not exactly Coco Chanel, but we would definitely recommend some midge spray. Needless to say, walks are a key part of your Vagabond experience, and here comes Danny with his walking poles. He can walk without them, but he just likes to walk with them. There we go. Yes, wonderful technique. He glides along the catwalk. Leg wear is obviously vital as well, and some light walking trousers. And indeed, zip-off pants, like beautifully modelled by Aidan here. Functional, fashionable and sexy all at the same time. Thank you very much, Aidan. So many people also ask us what we should be wearing on our feet. And next up we have Bavin, who's going to be modelling a pair of flexible trail shoes. Here we go, lovely. Thank you, Bavin. Very nice. Oh yes. Flexible, often waterproof, certainly splash proof. And before you go, Bavin, just give us a twirl there. Another useful accessory is the day pack. Carry your water bottle, your camera, and your daily goods. Wonderful. If you want to go a little bit heavier duty than walking shoes, here comes Ronan in a nice pair of light walking boots. Not too heavy to pack, very comfortable, excellent ankle support should you need it. Not sure about the reddy orange trousers, but otherwise it's a good look. Headwear is also important. It can get a little bit chilly out on the hills in Ireland, and here we have some perfect examples of, oh lovely, here comes Eamon and Ed, the latest fashions in glassware and headwear. Wonderful. Thank you very much. Keeping the ears warm, as you can see, the back of the neck, and looking very, very fashionable at the same time. Thank you very much.